Some people left, around 5-6 members. No problem. So they maybe join again. Okay. So we discussed at event and alert time. Event and alert time. Okay. So we discussed it with the op manager. So different monitoring things, right?
Yeah.
Where is that message? Yeah. That is depends upon organization. Depends upon an organization. You have to resolve these many tickets kind of stuff. Just depends upon organization. That is that information I don't know. Okay. Usually some organization having that ticket, but I don't know your projects and all. Yeah, that's why I'm telling for each and every batch, guys, two things. One is create your own group out of this group. Okay, not in this group. To discuss any information or communicate. Practice answering is important anyway. Mostly I will tell every batch. Okay, most of them are successful in the interview part. So based on this practice, because guys, you know the questions, you know the answers, but at the time of interview, you are unable to speak proper way. You are trying to tell an answer, but you are unable to tell. So start practicing. If you practice alone, good, no problem. If you read, good. Okay. If you read the materials, okay, you said you read the materials, questions and answers, good. If you practice, it is much better. If you team up with your batch people and you discuss and you keep telling in English, what is this, what is this, what is this, like an answer, question and answers, including if you talk your personal things. So where you stay, where are you coming from, about your village, like even it is a general thing. Generally, you talk to someone with a general, what we can say, bakwas. Okay, so even that is also start speaking in English. That will reduce lot of your words burden on words. Okay, sometimes tampering, sometimes even you don't have a tampering, but that time it will come. Okay, MTIs, mother tongue influences, it keep changes. So I'm not from Telugu medium, so I born in village. I raised in this small, very small town. You cannot say that is a village. That is because it's a very small town. It is. Okay, I studied in my mother tongue. Okay, so not much languages. Even I tried so many times. Even I have as a being a trainer also I give technical stuff in English, but general normal talk like this I can't do it. I can't do it. What had happened? So I become went to the Pune. So no chance. I don't know Hindi and they don't know Telugu. So only one language is common language English. Whether they like it or not, even normal thing is also have to speak in English. Okay, somewhat without any worry to the student speaking, so no problem for me in English. Okay, not much vocabulary, but still I can make it. So practice with your friends, so you don't feel fear while you are speaking to your friends only. Friends means the group members. Okay, do that one. Second one is if any case of possibility, find out any person is got selected and working currently in HCL from Savantis. Okay. So if you have any contact, so then make it as people more members. What is their work? Don't ask this is this one, that one. Where do you stay? Don't go to other details. Only details. Um, um, main details like what kind of work, what is their domain, what is their projects, what is their workflow kind of stuff. Not only one person, guys, as many as you got it. So ask them how the work is there. What kind of work? What are the targets? What are the kind of environment they are facing? So basically, their work related. Okay. What are the time frames? What are the things you can able to learn? Okay. That is also one part. Okay. So you will get your clarity. Even if I tell no, there is only 10, there is no target, I can tell no problem. Okay. I can tell for my convenience, I can tell give an answer. But that is not confident. That won't give you any proper information. You don't get ready to what is the thing you are going to deal. Okay. So that's what I'm trying to say.
So, sir, the what type of question comes in a percent round?
Versant is not my part. Okay, compulsory. Versant madam will share the Versant test related or any demo or uh, YouTube videos also there. There is certain videos. So how the questions are there. Okay, so we can see and practice. And you need to build a vocabulary, suitable sentences. Listening, we have to listen the story and you have to give answers. Speaking skills are there. That much I know, but you can try version test. Based on our version test is different, and version test also 3 4 kind of stuff is there. So our kind of version test, if any chance, you can ask your communication trainer. So give some sample questions or a sample video. So then you'll get some idea. So then you can practice harder. Guys, every day prepare for a 30 minutes to 1 hour. So I'm giving 30 minutes only. Okay, least to least 30 minutes for a technical stuff. And spend the remaining entire time 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Guys, when you have a chance, so fulfill it. It's not just a random chance, guys. So version test is another important is if you prepare well, you score well in a version test, even you don't want to go to HCL also, there is a lot of good chances. Version test preparation will always boost your career in different organization. For example, Deloitte. Okay, you go to Deloitte, again, main communication. Even if you have a 5 years of experience or 10 years experience, first is communication law. Okay, technical is next. So that's why I'm telling. Technical compulsory, but no need to spend 4 hours, 5 hours. I'm not talking in that manner. If you are a cognizant batches, I will tell first technical, then communication. Communication means in the terms of presentation of answer. For you, I'm telling percent is first important, so practice percent more. Okay, madam or sir, who is the communication person, he will help you to do it that way. So you don't need to worry. Okay. Okay, so guys, next one is what I'm trying to say is monitoring. Okay, usually I will skip this part, I will jump to the next part, but we have a time little bit. So tomorrow I will start basics of networking. Okay, tomorrow. So I will give all the details for tomorrow. Before I am starting monitoring, guys, I want to see what is going on with my PC. My PC is on or off? Yes, it is on. About my CPU, RAM, and hard disk, how it is working. So I go to task manager, see the processes, what are the processes are running, and each process, how much CPU, RAM, and disk is consuming. Okay, how much CPU, each process, how much it is utilizing my CPU and my memory and my disk and my graphics also. Up to here it is enough. Okay, desktop Windows Manager. Okay, this is the performance, CPU performance. See, utilization of CPU 55%, 88, 23. It is frustration like that. Higher, lower is going on. So this is my CPU utilization. Memory utilization. So I'm running a process. Mine having 12 GB RAM, but it is showing for 5.3 GB available and in use 6.6. No up and down kind of stuff. Straight away it is utilizing. If in case I close some application or if I open some application, then availability RAM or in-use RAM will be changes. So look at here, this is a tab. I'm closing this tab. So obviously somewhat the CPU utilization and memory utilization, disk utilization can be changes. Here also a lot of tabs are there. So I close this one. I close this one. This part also completed or not? No, not completed. See, for 5.4 to 5.5 become available. So it is like a what is going on with my system performance. CPU, my system is entirely busy, or it is somewhat it is 50-50 running, less than 50%, more than 50%, more than 70%, more than 80%. Okay. So system performance, disk performance, CPU performance, memory performance, disk performance, network performance. Okay, see how many packets keep trialing, maybe busy, and these are the important CPU performance, memory performance, disk performance, and network performance. This is resource monitoring, how these resources are utilized by different processes. These are all processes utilizing the network resources. Disk utilized by these processes. Memory utilized by this process, CPU utilized by this process. Okay, so each resource is utilized by different process and how it is utilized. Almost all both are relevant, but here only we can see disk or CPU or memory type of utilization here directly process wise, but it is correlated only CPU wise and process wise also. Okay. Of course, you can download these snapshots also. You can download means you can take some information and store in some places. And different type of internal tools are there in our system to monitor. Guys, before going to that one, so first understand an infrastructure. Okay. In any organization, we have a different kind of stuff. I showed in my PC. I showed in my PC. One PC. But in any organization, you have different kind of stuff is there, right? For example, I have a servers. One block I'm giving. Okay, so I have a servers. Networking components like a routers. I have a switches, modems, storage devices. Okay, storage devices, cable structures also there. So we'll see. Um, Other things. So regular computers, okay, power supplies, power generators. So different type of things. So each one is think like a blocks. For example, I have a servers. Okay, I have a storage components are there. Just like a block diagram, it is storage components are there. Backup devices are there. Storage backup both are same. Backup servers, backup storages. Okay, networking means and routers, switches, routers, cables, storage. Different senses are there in storage, NAS type of storage, SAN type of storage. Okay, RAID kind of stuff. backup storages, backup servers, what are the backup you put it, backup power supply, kind of stuff. Okay, the physical environment. So you maintain your physical environment, like air temperatures, cooling systems, humidity, kind of stuff. Power supply is important. This is completely a data center kind of stuff I'm talking. Okay, power supply, backup power supply, generators. Okay, access, physical access, or as security. You have a physical access, security. So everyone is not allowed to access, right? Okay. Network access. Through network we can access, or a network security. Actually, this should be last, but this should be higher. Spelling mistakes. Network security, physical access, physical security kind of stuff. What is going on with this one? We should monitor this kind of stuff. So look at here. I have a monitoring system. I have a monitoring system. This is a monitoring system. Monitoring system means it monitors all these PCs from here. It creates a dashboard. In the dashboard, monitoring means it displays what is going on with these systems using certain softwares. Okay, using some monitoring softwares, we will get the information from here. So we'll gather the information from servers, storage devices, backup storage devices, backup systems, or antiviruses. Backups, okay, that is antivirus is also there. Okay. Okay, like this. We gather all this information, put it in a one single window. So that is what we are discussing about a monitoring. Okay. I hope you got the point, guys. Got an idea what is meaning of our infrastructure means. See, this is a app manager. See, it displays entire our infrastructure on the screen and telling about what is going on with these different devices. So this is what we can say monitoring. Monitoring understand function of our infrastructure, applications, services, okay, kind of stuff. Generally, in monitoring, we do different kind of stuff. One is okay. So in monitoring, what we do, we understand function of our infrastructure, application, and services. So mostly like I have a devices like a PCs, computers. Instead of backup, I will tell normal computers, PCs, laptops. Okay, normal PCs. because backup is also part of this storage and service. Now we got a problem. There is a problem in this application, that's why it is showing. Better designing is from it is there, but instead of backups it is showing this editing part. This is save and close. Okay, now guys, I have used infrastructure, multiple servers, routers, switches, kind of stuff is there. Make sure every device is turned on or off. Okay, is it turn on or turn off? That is one kind of monitoring. Okay, it is a down. It is, we can also see switch is down, router is down, kind of information also we'll see that one. Okay. Next one is resource monitoring. How CPU is utilization, how RAM is utilization, my disk utilization, network utilization is going on. Performance of a devices. Okay, their resources performance is generally like what is their CPU status, CPU utilization. CPU utilization become higher than what you will say. So a lot of CPU utilization means this is CPU become system server become busy. Server become busy. Somewhere like this CPU utilization. Okay, RAM utilization, disk utilization. If it is a more, then we have to take care certain necessary things. Okay, because it's become busy, it is unable to process furthermore. Performance of the devices. Okay, so performance of devices or resource monitoring of the devices. Application performance. Application performance. You are running an application, so you are running an application system or running an application server. How this application is working, how much CPU utilization, how much network utilization, RAM utilization. Sometimes applications utilize more than it is requirement. Then there is a problem with an application we can understand. Okay, application utilizing your CPU, RAM, network, disk, kind of stuff. Process monitoring, you know already. Network monitoring, database monitoring. I didn't add a remaining things. If you want, you can add it also. Network monitoring, database monitoring. Database monitoring. You have a database system, then you can monitor a database kind of stuff. Okay, network monitoring means mostly network monitoring. You'll get most of that stuff like their IP addresses, connectivity, devices turned on or off, what is the network load and the traffics, thing, how many number of collisions currently in at a certain switch port. Okay, protocols and port numbers, how many protocols port numbers are going on. Okay, database monitoring, service. It's different type of services like a web service, or it can be a file server related. File server related. So service monitoring, web servers, file servers. Okay, web services, file services, servers, file, DHCP. Okay, different servers. Servers, service monitoring, including this database monitoring, like a different type of monitoring systems are there. We use SNMP protocol generally for a monitoring purpose, SNMP protocol. Okay, simple network management protocol is there. To monitor our infrastructure, we utilize different type of applications. Some are like a Nagios, Zabbix, PRTG, New Relic, WhatsUp Gold, WireShark, Splunk, Solarwinds, NPM. Not only these guys, there's so many type of monitoring tools are there. Okay. First one, I want to show you Nagios. So here it is. These are the details about this Nagios and some links also available here. Right. So this is the Nagios, what it can able to do: Windows monitoring, Linux system monitoring, server monitoring, application monitoring, SNMP monitoring, log monitoring. Also it shows. Okay, three different type of servers it is showing: Fusion, log server, and a X1. So this is the download trial. If you want to download and you want to use for your organization, so you can try also. This is for Microsoft. This is for VMware virtual machines, VMware ESXi vSphere method, and this is for a Linux based systems. Okay, depends upon your operating system, you can use it. These are all virtual appliances. These are all virtual appliances. What is meant by virtual appliances? Anybody knows what is virtual appliances? I have a virtual machine. Inside a virtual machine, I installed applications as per my requirement. I configure my virtual machine, and now I package this virtual machine with the extension OVA like that. Okay, so if you taken that my file and extract the file, and you can start using system directly. So you no need to install operating system and applications, all this kind of stuff, you no need to do it. Okay, how come? Because the virtual machine contains everything. It is pre-configured machine. Virtual appliances means pre-configured virtual machines. Yeah, here it is. VMware OVA download is a pre-configured virtual machine that can be deployed on a VMware workstation. You want to run this on a VMware workstation or vSphere, so our virtual box, you can download and you can use it. Okay, so different products are also there. Pricing, partners, resources also there. There is a demo version is also available. So demo is showing like this. But last time I used one demo link, but it is unable to find that demo now. Yeah, this is a solutions, guys. This is the different type of solutions it is providing, and this is the business professionals, industry sectors, their requirements. Okay, so compliance, problem remedies, cloud computing, virtualization, mobile application, network technologies, monitoring technologies. These are all monitoring technologies. Okay, notifications. Also, this side you can find it. What kind of things it is? IT challenges, website monitoring, database monitoring, protocol monitoring, operating system monitoring, Windows monitoring, Windows servers monitoring, application monitoring, application server monitoring, managed service process monitoring, environmental monitoring, storage monitoring, different type of monitoring also there. Okay. Database monitoring, storage monitoring, so many things are there. Actually, So there is a one trial version is there. Last time I tried that trial version, but where it is gone? Yeah, now it is came. It's a demo version, guys. You can also try this demo version. So login as admin, login as a normal user. This is the username and password are both are same. Just I'm giving username, then password, login. So I showed this app manager. Now it is the US monitoring. Change the password and no, not required. So can you see this is the new dashboard? Unique host are 21, active alerts are 2, active alerts are 2, instances are 1. Windows, networking devices, Linux and others. So this is number of logs per 15 minutes. How many logs are created? Can you see? Disk usage, current index. Okay, these are the things. New version is available. You can download. That is showing. Okay, Elasticsearch disk utilization. Okay, I can download and do it, but it is not good. So this is our dashboard. So click on a dashboard. You can see, so our infrastructure, events over the time, all events, see these are the different events are occurring. Okay, so event logs, sys logs and event logs, you can see different event logs in our business. Some issues occur or some information is required. So you can search an event and you can tell this particular time, this particular event is occur. Okay, particular event is occur. So this is the information about this event. Okay, so anything it is sensible, it shows all events. But they change the screen in the dashboard. So I'll go to dashboard. So I want to see how many alerts are came. So if I connect this monitoring system to my service desk tool, then these alerts will directly create a ticket or directly shows on my service desk. So can you see this is 404 error? It is okay, no problem. So it is a failed SSH login. So another alert is came fail. It is a warning. So compulsory why failed, what is failure kind of stuff. You have to take care of this one. Real-time alerts, new alert, post fresh alerts. Alerts history. These are the different alerts. I went to alert history. Not only current alerts, also previous alerts also we can able to see. This is a configuration like you want to configure. This is Nagi LS, not X1. So LS means logs. This is only for a log purpose, not Nagi X1, XI. It is LS, logs related. Okay, so that's why we are able to see log kind of stuff. Nagi TLS. Earlier it is there. Earlier it is there. Before just 3 4 batches before it is there. Okay, no problem. If this is not working, this is not. Leave it. Okay, we have a app manager. That's enough. That is for
Hello, sir.
LS.
What will the username and password for this Nagios?
This is the log server. I showed log server instead of XI. That is, there are already given Nagios admin as a username and password. If you log out, so you can see login as a administrator means username password. It's a demo. It is not mine. No, they are providing this demo.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but it is LS log server. That is also good to know. But in XI, so you may see what we can see. So URL follow. In XI, we can see different type of server monitoring their dashboards and all. Earlier it is there. I have seen, but now it is not showing. We have to install our own. No, we don't do it. Zabbix, in another hand, guys, Zabbix. So this is a Zabbix. Zabbix is an enterprise class open source network. Okay, so you can see. You can see this is a Zabbix. You can download freely. You don't need to pay. It is not even a trial version, so you can configure. So network monitoring, server monitoring, cloud monitoring, application, service monitoring will occur at here. Different organizations also doing, and it is a open source, means if you have a skills to develop, you can develop. Okay. Also, they are providing training. So I am going to products. I want a network monitoring tool or a server monitoring tool, virtual machine monitoring tool. So I will take these features and solutions support. Now I go to download only. Okay. Okay. If you have a skill to install, then you can install in a Linux based systems or a operating system. Supported operating systems are this one, and other settings also there. Okay. Or you want to use as a cloud image, then you can use cloud vendors. In these vendors, you can use these images also. As a container, like a Docker container, you can able to take it and utilize. Appliances, already I told appliances. So directly you can download this virtual machine, extract and start utilizing these virtual machines. Zabbix source code, it is, you can download a source code for your development purpose. Zabbix agents, so you can install these agents in the client machines. These are the different clients. You can install these agents, so then we can get that information from our remote PCs. Okay, guys, this is the Zabbix. You can see these images. So how it is shows our infrastructure, how they are connected. Okay, entire global infrastructure, how they are connected. Okay, what is their status? So everything we can able to monitor. Okay, so next one is PRTG. PRTG also we have a free trial version is there. PRTG. So this is a PRTG network monitoring tool. So we'll get a free trial version. from PRTG. Network monitor, hosted monitoring, enterprise monitoring. You have to go to one by one and see what is going on. You know, depends upon number of devices, number of license admins, the price will be quoted. Okay, that's why we download. So, New Relic is a application management, application monitoring tool. WhatsUp Gold is a log management, provide easy visibility and management of a device log data. There is a available, we can download. WireShark is another system that is, so what is going on with your network? What are the packets are sent, receive protocols? That monitoring is there. Okay, you can easily download. WireShark is also free tool, but only for one PC or multiple PC. That's different. Splunk is a log analyzer, so it is used to monitor and search through the big data. It indexes, correlate information. It will analyze your logs and visualize what is going on with your entire infrastructure. Solarwinds network performance monitor. These are the things. So I have got some links how to download, install kind of stuff. And these are the service desk or help desk tools. Different tools are there. You are already heard what is the different tools and the stuff. I thought it is okay, no problem. So in this YouTube part also I told to people, so how this we can able to create a demo session and how to log in and how to create a ticket. And also you can try in Zoho, Zira, OS ticket. OS is it open source type. GLPI, both open source means both are there. Service, this is required email ID. You can get a 30 days free trial in a fresh services. Zendesk, so many other tools also there. Okay. So you are already seen the demo of a fresh services. So these are the things about your monitoring related. So you monitor, then only we know what is going on with our infrastructure, servers, data centers, of course, storage devices, applications, servers, their services, network, okay, physical environment. So then we will know it. Okay, different tools we use to monitoring it. So network monitoring tools, application monitoring tools, server monitoring, different operating system monitoring tools also there. Okay, guys, up to now. So I'm closing this off manager also. Okay. So try any of the demo versions. How many are there? GLPA demo is also there earlier. Now it is not there. Okay, earlier we have a GLPA demo also there. Okay, only now it is not there now. So this is a GLPI tool. Okay. Last stable version, latest documentation. Okay. It is in pounds or euros. Prices. So depends upon your sensors, agents, the cost is there. Okay. That's why it is very difficult to find a demo. So luckily I've done demo. Guys, done. That's it for today. Tomorrow